Hi guys, we got DMH-240EX Pioneer double din radio, and this one doesn't have a CD player. Plus, this one has a WVGA touchscreen, Bluetooth, USB, 13 band EQ, full HD 1080, and then they have a mirror link via web link, which means it works for smartphone mirror link via WebLink cast. So you have to download the WebLink app, and then you can able to watch YouTube. You can access to the map with the mirror link. And this one also have a backup camera input, but those are like optional. And 13 band EQ. It comparable with the iPhone. And FLAC, aux input, USB, steering wheel input, and then MOSFET 50 times 4, and then 3 RCA jack output, and then this one also has a subwoofer control. Let's open it up and see what they got in here. Okay, they comes with a screw, and all the wires. We're gonna open it up and see what they have in there. They comes with the wire harness, and external microphone, and all the RCA jack output plug. This one has a front, rear, single subwoofer output, and then rear view camera input, and then rear monitor output. And then this one probably owner's manual book and warranty card. Yes. They have a quick start guide, installation manual book, and warranty card. And let's see the actual main unit. Okay, 6.2. Then they have a front USB input, and this one is a slim design because they don't have a CD player built in. And then they have a antenna plug-in, microphone input, steering wheel control, which is you have to get the steering wheel control from third party. And this is the all the RCA jack plug. This one has the aux input in the back, and then wire harness plug. Okay, let's hook it up and then see what they have. Let's see. Let's put some power on. Yeah, comes with the radio station, and then volume up, down, home button, but press holding it is gonna be on mute. Press one more time. There's gonna be, go to home button, radio, Bluetooth audio, USB, iPod, web link, phone, aux, camera view. And then let's hit the setting button. Okay, they have a system setting. Okay, they have a system language. They have English and all other language. But we're gonna go with the English. Go back. And then they have a iPhone USB setting. Oops. iPhone USB setting. They have an iPod and web link. If you want to play the web link, you have to leave it on the web link highlighted. And then they have a date and time. And then they have a back camera input. If you want to use it, you can put it on and off. Off and on. And then they have a dimmer trigger. You put it on auto. And then down page, they have a dimmer value. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. But we're gonna put it on number 7. That's the average. And then restore setting. And then they have a system information. And then they have a license. So we're gonna put it on English. Go down. They have a touch panel calibration. So when you go back, so you can set up the calibration. Okay. And then we're gonna go with the one in the middle, which is the background. So you can select the whole background page, different image. Hit apply. And then they have a setting, speaker setting. They have a EQ setting, 13 band EQ. You can move up and down. Actually, this is on powerful right now, so you have to go to custom if you want to set it up your own EQ setting. Go back, and then they have a fader and balance. They have a volume. They have a main volume, talking volume, and Bluetooth audio volume. So whichever you like, set it up. And then they have a loudness, off, low, mid, high. And bass booster, on and off. You can go like up to 6. But better not to have it all the way up. It's gonna make a distortion on your sound. And then cutoff, that's for like a front high pass, rear high pass, subwoofer high pass. So when you go on 25 hertz, 32 hertz, 40 hertz, 50, 63, 80, 100, 125, 160, 200, 250, up to 250 for front high pass. And then rear is 25, 32, 40, 50, 63, 80, 100, 125, 160, 200, 250. It should be same as the front. Yeah, 250, up to 250. And then subwoofer low pass 25, 32, 50, 63, 80, 100, 125, 160, 200, 250. Yeah, same as a front, rear, sub. Okay, beep tone. You can turn it off and turn it on. When you press the keypad, you know, it makes beeps. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching.